A lot of companies across the tri-state have pivoted their workforce from their normal jobs to now responding to this pandemic. And tonight, News 4's Gabi Acevedo shows us how some TV and movie set designers are now saving lives.
In a cavernous building in Astoria, where movies and TV shows are designed and filmed in better times, a life-saving production is underway.
It feels like being on a film set again. It feels like, doing something, being on a crew.
Set designers and builders who were out of work because of the pandemic are using their skills to build boxes that protect doctors performing intubations of COVID patients, a dangerous moment of potential exposure.
It's good to feel helpful, and it's good to feel like you're helping save lives, and it's also it's good to put your skills to work.
LEHNE, a set carpenter and designer, learned of the need for intubation boxes from a doctor friend on the front line, and he knew plenty of highly skilled people who needed work. With 6 people working each day, they can crank up to 6 boxes a day. Over 18 hospitals have benefited from these incubators, and more than 60 of them have been made so far.
Get it in there. And then you wait with firm pressure for about 3 minutes.
40 hours later, after the glue dries, the incubator box gets delivered to the front lines of the battle against coronavirus across New York's 5 boroughs. Jim and Lydia, a married couple, get together for a demonstration on how the incubators work once it reaches a hospital. The plexiglass covering the patient's head while the doctor places ventilator tubes in them.
We shipped 2 boxes down to Georgia. We've also given boxes to New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Massachusetts.
Each of the incubator boxes costs around $100 to make, and private funding drives the project.
All from a GoFundMe page that I started called Making Intubation Boxes for Healthcare Workers. And we've raised over $10,000 now.
In Astoria, Gabi Acevedo, News 4 New York.
That is fascinating and awesome.